In this video, you'll learn how to reset your Phantom Wallet password by following these steps. Your wallet and set a new password for future logins. Begin by opening the Phantom Wallet extension in your web browser. When the extension is launched, you will be greeted with the Enter Your Password screen, which is where you typically log into your wallet. Once you are on the password entry screen, locate the option labeled Forgot Password directly beneath the Unlock button. Clicking on this link will initiate the password recovery process. After clicking Forgot Password, you will see a new screen with the option to reset wallet. This option allows you to proceed with the recovery process. Click on Reset Wallet to continue. Next, you will be prompted to enter your 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for verifying your identity and restoring access to your wallet. Carefully type in your secret recovery phrase, ensuring that each word is entered correctly, as any mistakes can hinder the recovery process. Once you have entered your secret recovery phrase, click the Continue button. This action will validate your recovery phrase and lead you to the next step. Now, you will need to create a new password for your wallet. Make sure to choose a strong password that is difficult for others to guess but easy for you to remember. After entering your new password, you will also need to confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. After successfully confirming your new password, complete the setup process. At this point, you should receive a confirmation that your password has been reset, allowing you to access your Phantom Wallet with your new password moving forward.